Welcome back to the Gist English Masterclass for Professionals. All right, today we are talking about the elephant in the room, using AI at work. Let's be honest, almost everyone is doing it, but it's often treated like this big secret. Well, we're going to show you how to stop hiding and start truly mastering your new AI copilot. And this quote right here, this gets to the heart of the fear, doesn't it? And you know what? It is a completely valid concern. If you let the AI take the wheel, your work can end up sounding generic, a little robotic, and basically just like everyone else's. But here's the thing, it absolutely doesn't have to be that way.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll tackle the AI originality problem head-on. Then we'll get into the specifics of how to lead the AI, not be led by it. After that, we'll cover the all-important human audit, how to manage the inevitable mistakes, and finally, how you can become a true AI-powered pro.
Okay, the number one thing you have to understand is this. AI is basically a mirror. It reflects the quality of what you give it. So the secret isn't to stop using AI, it's to completely flip the dynamic. You need to go from being AI-led to being human-led. You have to be in the driver's seat, always.
And that leads us right into our first major strategy. You have to lead the AI. This means a pretty big shift in how you think about it. You need to stop treating AI like it's Google and start treating it like a very capable but very junior employee.
So on the left, you see what most people do, right? These super simple commands like, write me an email, and you get super simple results. But look over on the right. This is what the pros do. They give context, they define the tone, they set clear expectations, and they provide constraints. That is the difference between getting a bland, generic answer and getting a high-quality, strategic piece of work. And the secret weapon for this is what we call the persona prompt. It's pretty simple, really. It's a short description where you're not just telling the AI what to do, you're telling it who to be. You're defining its role, its way of thinking, its voice, and even the level of expertise it should bring to the table.
Just look at this example. It is so powerful. You're not asking for a simple summary. You are commanding the AI to become a senior vice president of strategy. And just like that, you've set a totally new standard for its output. Clarity, authority, logic. The entire way it's going to respond to you has completely changed.
So why does this work so well? Well, for one, it forces the AI into a much higher level of communication. It gets rid of all that useless fluff and filler, and the drafts you get back feel intentional, they feel strategic. This is the absolute key difference between work that screams, AI wrote this, and work that clearly shows AI helped me write this. You are the one leading the thinking.
Okay, but even with the absolute perfect prompt, the draft still needs your unique human fingerprint. And that brings us to our second step, the human audit. This is where you come in and add that final, crucial layer of authenticity that a machine just can't fake. And the quickest way to do this is with 3 powerful verbs that AI almost never uses on its own. First, the word acknowledge. This adds empathy. Think, I want to acknowledge the team's hard work on this. Second, clarify. This shows leadership, like, let me clarify the next steps. And third, emphasize. This adds urgency without being dramatic, like, I need to emphasize that this deadline is critical.
At the end of the day, AI can churn out ideas and structure all day long. But what it can't generate is genuine emotional intelligence. That has to come from you. And that human element, that's the part that builds connection. That's the part people actually trust.
Now, let's be real for a second. Your AI is going to make mistakes. It's going to get a number wrong or misunderstand what you meant. It happens. Professionals don't try to hide this. Instead, they frame it with confidence, which actually protects and can even boost their credibility. Take a look at this sentence. This isn't an excuse, is it? It's a statement of complete control. You calmly identify the AI as your assistant. You state the error and you deliver the solution. No drama, no panic, just total professionalism.
And this approach is so effective because it pulls off 3 things all at once. First, it acknowledges the issue right away. Second, it shows you're taking full responsibility for the final product. And third, it demonstrates that you've already fixed it. That is what leadership looks like. And just remember this, nobody, not your clients, not your colleagues, nobody expects you to be perfect. What they do expect is ownership. And when you show that you are in control of your tools, even when they mess up, your credibility actually goes up.
So let's put all of these pieces together. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to be an amplifier for your skills, your strategy, and your expertise, but only if you know how to lead it. This is your transformation, from just using AI to being powered by it.
So here it is, your AI-powered playbook. It's just 3 core actions. Number 1, always give the AI a persona. Number 2, always add your human audit using those powerful verbs. And number 3, manage its mistakes with total confidence and ownership.
Once you master these steps, you stop being just another person who uses AI. You become an AI-powered professional. So the real question, the one on the screen, is for you. With this new co-pilot by your side, what are you going to build first?
And that's all for now. Hey, if you found this helpful, do us a favor and like and share it. We'd really love to hear your own tips for working with AI, so definitely leave your thoughts down in the comments. We'll see you in the next session.